Next 101, we back live, YouTube. We talking about caliber pens today and what they do and what happen when they go bad and stuff like that. So on my own vehicle, when I was noticing my vehicle was kind of, when I go to stop. So I'm like, oh, okay. Just took it off and looked at it. Took my caliber off. I don't put it back together, so don't trip. Uh, took this one off. Boom, came right out. Got to this one. Oh, real bad. Heated it up a little here. This happened before though too. Second time, same spot. But I tried to take it off. It broke. I was like, okay. So I went and got another caliber bracket. They had to order it at the store. Take 2 days, 3 days, or something. Got home. Somebody tell me what's up with that. It ain't the same one. See how this one got a little whoop, and this one here is like a. So that didn't work out. So I went back a couple days later. Got another one. This one here. Now, what the problem was, this was not moving, obviously, because it broke. So this pad, your inner pad, was like always in the closed position, but it wasn't letting it move back and forth. See the outer pad is still shit. It's good. So we got this out. This broke. We got another bracket. See what happens is this piece here just supposed to move like easy. I can't even get it to move. I mean, without extra pressure, still really ain't. It's supposed to move freely like this here. Move back and forth. Like this one here. Go in and out. When the caliber open and close. So this will equal to this, which then equals to this. And when this pad went all the way down, shit, you can see I broke the little indicator tab off. I think it was on. Oh yeah, the metal tab here. It lets you know how much brake pads you got left. It was about here. So it was about to start rubbing, so I just broke it off. So these are caliber slide hardware kit, and that just makes the brake. So it slides on here. That's all it does. So when this get caked up with rust and not lube, hell, it's not gonna move. These little points here. This one here goes right here. Then this one here goes up on top. Well, on top. So anytime you got that little sway, that little wobble below, the brake caliber ain't open and closing. So this is what happens. This is what's gonna happen next. And this is this pad what I. So this is Banks 101. We out.